Hello everyone, I'm Colin Heaps. This is my presentation for Sharia enforcing Islamic law. What is Sharia? In Arabic, the word Sharia means way or path. It is pronounced Sharia. According to mpvusa.com, Sharia is not a legal system. It is the overall way of life of Islam, as people understand it according to traditional early interpretations. Sharia deals with all aspects of day-to-day life, including politics, economics, banking, business law, contract law, sexuality, and social issues. There is not a strictly codified uniform set of laws that can be called Sharia. It is more like a system of several laws, based on the Quran, Hadith, and centuries of debate, interpretation, and precedent. So the legal rulings. Sharia regulates all human actions and puts them into 5 categories: commanded, recommended, permitted, disliked, or forbidden. The commanded actions must be performed, and when performed with good intentions are rewarded. Disobedience is worthy of punishment in this life and in the next, and obedience is rewarded in eternity. These would include the 5 pillars of Islam, as well as participation in jihad. Recommended actions are deemed commendable, but not required. Although failure to do them is not punishable, accomplishing recommended acts is worthy of reward, usually in paradise, though social commendation can be significant in this life. These include charitable acts above and beyond those commanded, extra prayers or fasting, and other good deeds. Permitted actions are indifferent and are without either positive or negative consequences. Neither doing them nor refusing them gains punishment or reward. Some acts are discouraged to one degree or another, and while doing them does not result in punishment, avoiding them may be worthy of reward in the afterlife. Many Muslims believe divorce is in this category. To commit a forbidden act is to be worthy of punishment, most often in this life. Thievery, sexual immorality, and drinking wine are among the forbidden acts. So, brings us to punishments and restrictions. Some of the punishments under Sharia law can be severe, and there are many restrictions against women. Because of this, many people view it as archaic and unfair. Some of the more severe punishments or restrictions include theft, which is punishable by amputation of the right hand. Criticizing or denying any part of the Quran is punishable by death. Criticizing Muhammad or denying that he is a prophet is punishable by death. Criticizing or denying Allah, the God of Islam, is punishable by death. Testimonies of 4 male witnesses are required to prove rape against a woman. A woman's testimony in court, allowed in property cases, carries only half the weight of a man's. A female heir will inherit half of what a male heir inherits. Those are some of the ones I found that are a little more strict than the others, but they aren't all quite that bad. So does Sharia make life easier or harder for the ordinary Muslim? For those who strive to live the correct life, pleasing to God and in kindness, it'll make life much easier for them. However, for people who are selfish, cruel, who exploit people, who are dishonest, who steal things, etc., there's virtually no sympathy for such people, unless they're really mentally ill, in which case they are not regarded as culpable in Sharia. All of those that are before the age of puberty or not of sound mind are not regarded as culpable. So it doesn't affect them the same way. Here's my works cited, and I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about Sharia law.